partnership with David Warner, who's very quick. He always has himself out at long off or long on. A, because he's quick across the ground. B, that low centre of gravity allows him to get the ball back in quick. 3:30 tomorrow here. That's us doing that game. Royal Challengers Bangalore Kolkata Knight Riders. Virat Kohli against Owen Morgan. And then in the evening, Delhi Capitals and Punjab Kings. Rishabh Pant and Rafael Rahul. Derby there, so much to look forward to.
To the point you're making, Nidas, I don't think it's a bad wicket. Bad would be where you cannot play a shot. And also, sometimes the idea or the definition of a good wicket is always that the ball is going all over the park. I think this wicket, with the kind of scores that have been made here, has made for interesting viewing, has made for interesting games, for some thrillers. So it's not as if it's not providing entertaining viewing. I think it's tough. Yeah, the batsmen are trying to combat a difficult surface, and then they have to get runs, and then the opposition have to overhaul it.
Hurry, no, it needed a really good throw. And you could perhaps hear, I could, was it there still someone shouting, take him, Boogie, take him.
Well, this is to your point, Karthik. It's providing such an entertaining, in fact, riveting contest because this is a sort of desperation. Like at any given day when the wicket's nice, there's no way they're coming back there for a second run and really almost putting their head across to guillotine. But such a run's such a key asset. Even those twos become a desperate situation.
And there's proof of what we've said all along. We keep saying it. You get it up and straightish. It's very hard to hit down the ground. Much easier than short, I'm sure. But anyway, we do 6 for 4.
ये है सचिन कुकरेजा, इन्हें डोज को टच करना